Good day and welcome back to Ginger's Kitchen. If you've been here before, thank you. If this is your first time, please like and subscribe. Now for today's recipe, it's a short one. I've been seeing all these videos about candied cranberries, and I had blueberries in the fridge, and I decided to try it with the blueberries. So let's see how it's going to come out. And please, if you're watching this video, would you please like and subscribe? Thank you very much. So I took the blueberries, and instead of soaking them in orange juice, I soaked them in apple cider. I think I soaked them a little too long. So because it's blueberries, they're not as hard as cranberries. I don't think they need to be soaked as long as I did it. I soaked them overnight, and that was too long. So after draining the blueberries, I covered them with powdered sugar, just like the cranberry recipe. And it takes a lot of powdered sugar to cover the berries. So if you're not supposed to eat sugar, this isn't the recipe for you. I tried to use only enough powdered sugar to cover the berries, and I also added cinnamon. I love cinnamon and blueberries. So that was blueberries soaked in apple cider, then drained, and then cinnamon and sugar coated. Now, once the berries are all coated, you put them on a baking sheet and in a single layer. Some of them will stick together. Just pull them apart. And I put them in a 250-degree oven for about 10 minutes. There's my oven alarm saying it's up to temperature, so in the oven they go. Now, when they first came out of the oven, they weren't crunchy and crispy, but I let them sit and cool off, and they did get a little crunchier as the time went on. I then put them in the refrigerator, and then I tried one a couple hours later, and they were pretty crunchy and like a candied blueberry. So I guess it sort of works, but I soaked them too long. I plan to try it again and not soak them as long. I have no idea how long you have to consume them. That you'll have to do the research on. I made a small batch, so I didn't have to worry about that. And until next time, please like and subscribe.